Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare mercury versus magnets. Mercury, a unique liquid metal, has distinct properties like high density and excellent electrical conductivity. Magnets, on the other hand, generate invisible fields that attract or repel certain materials, crucial for many modern technologies. We'll explore their fundamental differences, primary applications, and important safety considerations to help you understand which might be suitable for various uses. Let's dive in. Mercury is a fascinating element, unique for being a liquid metal at standard temperatures. It boasts a high density of 13.6 grams per cubic centimeter, making it quite heavy. Historically, it was valued for its consistent thermal expansion in thermometers and barometers, and its electrical conductivity. However, its significant toxicity, particularly to the nervous system, has led to a drastic reduction in its use across many industries. Magnets create an invisible force field, attracting ferromagnetic materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt, or repelling other magnets. Their applications are incredibly diverse, powering everything from tiny refrigerator magnets to massive industrial lifting equipment. They are fundamental to electric motors, generators, and even medical imaging. Modern permanent magnets, often made from rare earth alloys, can exert forces hundreds of times their own weight, offering immense utility. When deciding which is better, the context is everything. For most contemporary applications, magnets are overwhelmingly preferred due to their safety, versatility, and the absence of toxic hazards. Mercury, despite its unique properties like being a liquid metal, is largely phased out due to its severe health risks and environmental impact. While mercury still finds very specific, controlled uses in some scientific and industrial settings, magnets offer a far broader and safer range of solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.